Hi, I'm Krista Colvin, a professional organizer and owner of the Shebang, the Smart Woman's Guide to Doing It All. I'm going to show you how to quickly keep your room organized. The quickest fix is to get catch-all organizers and have them all around your house. So for example, this would be great in a family room, a den, or even a living room. And find a container that matches your existing decor and let everyone know that that's the catch-all. So doorbell rings, you have 2 minutes to pick up. Everything can go in here. Socks, sweatshirts, the random pencil, everything that just happens to be on the floor and you need to get it quickly put away. So that's the quickest fix of them all. Then what I suggest is once it gets full, or even nightly, you can take the basket around the house and deliver the items to where they belong. I also believe in doing a 5-minute pickup cleanup, and it's something that the whole family can participate in, and it only takes 5 minutes. So if you have a family of 4, that's 20 minutes, and you can knock out a lot during that time. And that's really simple to implement. Call everyone in. Give them marching orders and be specific. So if you want the Legos cleaned up, it is pick up the Legos and put them in the bin, then take them to your room and put them where they belong. So spell it out for your family members so they know what you expect. Set the timer and go. The 3 to 6 month big kind of overhaul that you would use to keep your room organized would be to simply pull out a clutter control kit. And I've created one using pop-up hampers, and that way they can easily store under your bed or out of the way. Pop them up, put some organizing signs on them, and then everyone can help because they know where and what goes in each pile. So for example, in a typical organizing project, you would have a keep pile. But in this case, you're just going through the room and keeping it organized. So items that you need to decide on. Well, maybe you need to ask someone in your family if they really want to keep the item or not, or maybe it belongs to someone in the family and you'd like to ask if they want it back. The next category is donate. When you put it in a container like this, it's really easy to take this hamper, pop it in the car, and deliver it. And the toss. Anything that's broken or you're just really, it's not able to be reused, put it in the toss section and keep some of the trash bags on hand. And I used a big oversized one, but you could use a bunch of the kitchen bags. Another very, and I think the most important item in your keeping your room organized is the put away later, which is similar to the catch-all. So you're going to find things that just need to get put away. If you leave the room to put something away while you're trying to clean it up, you'll get sidetracked and you won't come back. So put it all in here and then deliver it to the room. So some quick and simple, easy ways for you to keep your room organized.